Hello, friends. Today we are going to start with the distinct use of do, does, and did. The use of do plus base form of verb, does plus base form of verb, and did plus base form of verb depends on the tense and the subject of a sentence in English. Do plus base form of verb is used in simple present tense for plural subjects. I do, you do, we do, they do. Does plus base form of verb is used in simple present tense for singular subjects. Example, he does, she does, it does. Did plus base form of verb is used in simple past tense for all subjects, whether it is singular or plural. This short table explains the use of do, does, did in a brief way with the help of the following sentences. Using the base form of verbs with do, does, and did. See these examples for simple present tense. Auxiliary verb do and does. Subjects are I, you, we, they, plural nouns. Base form. Example, I eat breakfast every morning. For the auxiliary verb does, we use subject he, she, it in singular noun forms. The verb is in base form. Example, she doesn't like coffee. Use of did and didn't shown here in this table. Positive statements, they are never used with did or didn't. Negative statements, we use them as such. I didn't go, they didn't eat. Questions in past tense. Did you see it? Didn't you finish? Emphasizing past actions. I did tell you, she didn't mean it. Remember, did and didn't are always followed by the base form of the verb. Here in this table also, we can see that the verb is used in base form along with did or didn't. What are the base forms used here in this table? Let us see. Go, eat, see, finish, tell, mean. Here are some more examples. He doesn't like ice cream. Does he like ice cream? Does plus like, doesn't plus like. They don't speak French. Don't plus speak. Do they speak French? Do plus speak. Again, an example for did and didn't. Did and didn't carry base form of verb. Did you like the movie? Didn't you like the movie? Did plus like. Didn't plus like. Here is an example sentence in the table highlighting the structure of does, do, and did with the base form play. This table illustrates how did, do, and does are used with the base form play across different persons. Let us review the positive, negative, and interrogative sentences with does, do, and didn't. Let's start. Verb like is used in this table. I like music, you like art, we like pizza, they like movies. For negative sentences, I don't like vegetables, you don't like dogs, we don't like roller coasters, they don't like camping. Interrogative sentences. Do I like cats? Do you like reading? Do we like swimming? Do they like hiking? Use of did in positive, negative, interrogative sentences. She did eat all her vegetables. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. Did you eat lunch already? Didn't you eat anything yesterday? Interrogative, negative. I hope this lesson of use of do, does, and did was helpful. Thank you.